Hi everyone. This evening, let's talk about how to find internship as a law student. So before we get into this serious discussion of finding the internship, what are the sources? What do you mean by internship? What are the guidelines of Bar Council of India with respect to this regard? Let's start with the first thing that what is an internship? See, an internship is a professional learning experience that usually offers meaningful practical work related to a student's field of study. That's what the definition says. In overall picture, if I want to talk to you, so if you are a law student and you are in a law school for a 5-year program, a 3-year program, or even for an LM program, so within your period of study, you get a duration to do internship, and that internship is basically to allow you to have that particular time, so that whatever you have learned in form of theory, you can understand its practical implication before you completely get into the profession for that matter. So this is before you finish your law program, and you are given an opportunity to understand what goes in and around that particular field, and therefore it's a learning experience for all the law students throughout the country. Now, how to the topic for the discussion is how to find legal internship, and in that framework, the first thing which I spoke to you was what is an internship. It is a short duration program which is basically a practical in nature, and this is usually for professional programs. For law students, see, internships are further. It is a criterion set in various law school that in the first year you should do this internship. In second year you should do internship at these places. Third year, fourth year, fifth year, sixth, fourth year, fifth year. There's no sixth year per se. So when we talk about this part, let's understand that some of the times it is told to you that you should do your first year internship in an NGO or police station for that matter, and in the second year you should do it with some research wing, human rights corporation, advocate in a district court, and then subsequently come to the high court, supreme court, work with tier 3 law firm, tier 2 law firm, tier 1 law firm, etc., etc. So you have been told a number of things. There's some internship diary at various law school as well. Need for what is a need for internship? The need for internship is because what you have learned in your law school. For that matter, you would be learning about the provisions in IPC, CRPC, Evidence Act, for the matter, or even Hindu Marriage Act, and etc., etc. So how does that really apply to a real life situation? So internship is one of that particular medium by which you learn about these things, that how does a court function. Point number one, what is the behavior of a lawyer in a court? How does the court clerk works? What are the documentation which are submitted to the court for that matter? Or when we talk about law firms, how do law firm operate? What are their various verticals? What does a particular vertical works on? Which of the companies which come for the work to law firms for the matter, and the development in and around that field. So need for internship is, if you, and most of the times these internship are made into a pre ensure that you get a pre-placement offer. So I will say that this is a route to get a placement. So it's that joining force, academics, internship, placement. Yes. Choosing an internship. See, choosing an internship completely should fall onto your interest areas. If you're interested in criminal law, you should do internship with lawyers. You should work with forensic science laboratory. You should work with cyber law expert, etc., etc. If you're interested in civil matters, you should work with a civil lawyer. You should go to mediation and arbitration centers. If you are interested in arbitration, you should go to you should go to center for arbitration. You can apply at various verticals of law firms which primarily deal with arbitration for the matter. So completely depends upon your area of interest for the matter. If you want to be a researcher, you should work with research centers. You should work with public policy centers for the matter. And so it should completely depend upon what is the purpose of internship. The purpose of internship is to get a placement. Is it to learn? Is it to earn? So this can be divided into all these verticals. So choosing an internship for first few years, mostly the students intern in the area in and around their hometown or the state, and then further on move to other part of the country. So choosing an internship should ideally serve a purpose. For first and second year can students, it is about learning. It is getting exposure. For fourth fourth and fifth year kids, it's all about making sure that this internship is converted into a pre-placement offer, and they receive a job offer. So the purpose behind each internship is different. Yes, and you should ideally know that which internship will suit you. For the matter, you have not read about a certain laws, but you want to go and intern in that vertical, or for that matter in that particular office, then there will be no enhanced learning for that matter. So it is ideal that you learn, that you have read those subjects in theory for that matter, and then you go to learn these practical applications. Yes. Now, let's talk about what does Bar Council of India says about the internship. So, there's a Rule 24 of Schedule 2, rules of legal education. Yes, Rule 25 of the Schedule 3 of rules of legal education provides that each registered candidate who is on a 5-year program should ideally do a 20 weeks internship. Yes, and internship is a part of curriculum, of course. That's also mentioned in rules of legal education. Yes. I just wanted to let you know about this part. Now, finding an internship, where can you find internships? Yes, see, uh, there are various websites. Yes, you can also find internship via LinkedIn. You can get an internship via the internship and placement committee of your law school, and you can always find an internship by your personal connect. Yes, so these are some of the way. Now let me take you through several websites from where you can learn about internship opportunities for that matter. From which places can you get the internship, how you can apply for these internship via these websites. So on your screen, champs, the first is you are aware of Locktopus. Yes, you can get to know about internships, so opportunities on this platform as well. So there's a column of opportunities and event. In this column, if you go to, you will find internship opportunity, internship opportunity, remote internship opportunity. So this is one of the known platform if you want to search for internships. The second is LinkedIn. On LinkedIn as well, you can find legal uh, intern related opportunity, legal internship related opportunity. So on your screen right now, you will see that. Um, yes. So on your screen, it is law legal intern needed, legal intern needed, legal intern needed. So that's another platform, LinkedIn. Usually, LinkedIn is used to search jobs, but again, told you that internship is a precursor of job. Then Internshala is another well-known website wherein you can go and find internship, and you can in which category, the location you want, desired monthly stipend you want. So all of these filters are available, and you see on your screen there are various kind of internship opportunities which you can apply to. Then there's another website which I encountered is Law Bhumi, that talks about internship opportunities. You see, there are so many internship opportunities which are mentioned. Yes, on which you can apply. So this is another platform where you can find the internship opportunities. Then law internship within the government of India. If you want to apply to them government internship opportunities. So midterm and winter internship opportunity with Law Commission of India, PRS Legislative, ILDR, Ministry of Law and Justice, External Affairs Ministry, with Lokpal of India, a number of so-called opportunities. And internship, then Kanuniya.com is another website where you can find internship opportunities for that matter. They have a category. Yes, so you can apply. And you see, these are really, really real-time updated. So posted on 16th of August for that matter. Then Law Office, another website where you can find internship opportunities, the places where you can apply for internship. You see, posted today itself. So you see, they are really updated website from where you can know about the internship opportunities for that matter. Knowledge Tees is another one where you can understand and find these opportunities. So I want to really tell you that there you will find n number of opportunities if you really search in the right direction. Whether it is Locktopus, whether it is LinkedIn, whether it is Internshala, whether it is Government of India website, or for the matter law of, for the matter knowledge Tees. It is just that you have to spare some time, understand which area of law you have your interest towards, and you want to make a career in that, and then accordingly apply. The next thing about this application process is that you must have your CV ready, and you must have your cover letter ready to apply for this internship. And one of the recommendation which I will give is, do not apply in a bulk, that you should not apply to 50 places in a single go altogether. So that you should take care of. And also make it as make it as the company or the law firm or the office of advocate you are applying to, make it personal to them, how you are the most suitable candidate. Yes. And that's it. All the very best. Hope you find your internships.